Videos a teenager made before killing himself are now key evidence in the manslaughter trial of his friend. Conrad Roy's videos offer a glimpse of the 18-year-old struggles with depression. Prosecutors say that Michelle Carter bombarded Roy with texts and urged him to take his life because she wanted attention. 48 Hours correspondent Erin Moriarty is following this trial. Erin, good morning.
Good morning. Prosecutors introduced the videos into evidence before resting their case Thursday. They show Conrad Roy speaking candidly about his inner turmoil. But that's something that also could help the defense. Michelle Carter's attorneys argue that Roy was already suicidal long before he met her.
This is Conrad Henry Roy III reporting about social anxiety.
At times, Conrad Roy seemed brimming with hope in his videos.
I just got a job from the Boston Duck Tours to captain their boat. Like, that's a huge accomplishment.
But later, his despair came into focus.
It's no good. Trash. Will never be successful. Never have a wife. Never have kids. Never learn.
In July 2014, Roy died inside this truck from carbon monoxide poisoning. As he was dying, prosecutors say he was on the phone with Michelle Carter for 46 minutes. Days before, in numerous texts, Carter, then 17, offered Roy suggestions on how to take his own life and lectured him when he wavered. "But I'm tired of you not taking this seriously. Like, if you aren't really going to do it, then stop pretending that you are," one message said. Another read, "Hang yourself, jump off a building, stab yourself. I don't know. There's a lot of ways." Carter's lawyers say investigators ignored texts she sent trying to help him.
I'm trying to do the best to dig you out. You're not aware of that, are you?
No, I'm not.
And you're probably not aware that he said, "I don't want to be dug out."
No.
Are you aware that he said he wanted to kill himself?
No.
The defense is expected to blame Carter's medication for her odd behavior and argue responsibility for Roy's death ultimately lies with him.
In the manner of death?
Yes, I marked that as suicide.
Okay. And there was also a box that you could have marked a homicide.
Correct.
In order to be convicted on the manslaughter charge, the judge would have to agree that Carter's words caused Roy's death. But remember, she was 35 miles away. Unfortunately, Massachusetts is one of the only 11 states without a law that's making it a crime to encourage a suicide. That's what she probably should have been charged with rather than this involuntary manslaughter.
It just seems so cruel. I can't imagine the attention she was trying to seek.
I have to tell you, I had as a parent, a very difficult time sitting in court. You feel for both, but the amount of texts, and there were times when he would say, "I don't think I can do this, I'm scared."
So what's going to happen today?
It could all end today. The state rested. The defense will actually ask the judge to find her not guilty, saying that the state didn't present enough evidence, and that could happen. Otherwise, then the defense will present this very odd defense called intoxication by antidepressant.
Very sad story. Thank you, Erin.